This brand is from Rheem Manufacturing, which is a part of the Paloma Group. The brand is made in Mexico and is only available through authorized dealers in the USA and Canada. The brand features TXV refrigerant controls and all-aluminum coil construction which resists corrosion, but their guarantee is only average when compared to other brands. The Endeavor Line RH1PZ models are basic single-stage air handlers with PSC blower motors, while the RH2VZ models are for two-stage operation and feature variable speed blower motors and a Wi-Fi-enabled control board. The RH2TZ models feature constant torque blower motors with TXV refrigerant controls, while the RHMVZ models have variable speed blower motors, state-of-the-art electronic expansion valves for refrigerant control, and Wi-Fi-enabled control. The RHMVZ models have modulating ability so that they closely match the needs of the home, which results in longer heating and cooling cycles and enhanced comfort. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy.